Hi everybody, this is another one of the things that I finished off last year and haven't got round to uploading for you. So this is a folio again. I say again because my last one was a folio. And this is a two-fold folio, and I looked at Cal Summers' tutorial for this one. So if you want to make one, that's where you can look at the tutorial for it. I used my lady's diary paper that I'd got left, a few sheets from Graphic 45, but it really didn't take much to do it. So it's quite a cute little one. So let's open it up. In here, I've cut out this part here, and that's your flap to hold these in place. And we've got various little cutter parts and tags from out of the paper. And I just made a different sized one because I just hate wasting things. So that can fit in there nicely. Of course, that could just be photos. It doesn't have to be those. The back page here has got a nice pocket. So you could put a photo there if you wanted to. And I've just popped in one of these little tags and one of these little booklets. You could put a photo on the front, a smaller one, and then some bigger ones and some journaling if you wish. And that just slips in there. And then this centre bit here is on magnets, so that opens up and opens up. So it's very pretty. I really liked the way of doing this. Very neat and tidy. And then you can open that flap and that flap, which takes you to the centre part. Now that's the base. Again, you could put a photo on there, no problem, entirely up to you. And I've just popped in here for now, just some tags, etc. They're all plain on the back so that you could put a photo on the back if you wanted to. I'm into letting the people who get them choose what they're going to do. So again, all different sizes. I mean, you don't have to use this for here. It's just a tag. You could put it on a parcel or whatever you choose. Now, this little one here, again, you can pop some journaling in it if you want to. And a fatter tag. And then a little booklet. I was governed by the sizes of these cutter parts. There was no way I was going to waste it. So that's what happened. That's why you've got all different sizes. And then I liked this. I just thought that was so nice. You could write what you want on there and then put the corresponding photos in. So as you can see, it's a cute little folio, and I enjoyed making that, and it wasn't too difficult. It really wasn't. So that one goes down. Oh, here I've got a pocket as well. Oh, I've got some things in the pocket. What was left, I think. Right, a couple of these and plain on the back. But again, it could have been a long piece. Ultimately, it's what you want to put inside there, but this is just to give you some ideas. I just like the colours. I thought they were quite nice and muted for a change for me. So I hope you enjoyed that. As I say, Cal Summers, she's got some fantastic things. You won't be disappointed if you go and check her out. Thanks for watching. Bye.